welcome back to my channel. How you guys are? I hope you guys are doing really great. So Durga Puja is up here and I've already come up with the series that I told you in my previous video. This is for Saptami and I created this beautiful, simple and easy to recreate look but still very glamorous. So yeah, if you want to know how I have created this beautiful look, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video.
As always, I would be prepping my skin first, and as you can see, I'm bare skin, and the first step of prepping my skin would be to apply a micro essence. This one is by L'Oreal. This product is something that I cannot live without. And then for my moisturizer, I'm using this Neutriderm vitamin E moisturizer, a great option for oily skin people and also for summer, because the non-oily and non-greasy texture of this product is perfect for this weather, and it gets absorbed into the skin so quickly. And then to cancel out any darkness around my eyes and mouth, I'm using this Durgaelo Pro concealer. Such a beautiful concealer, it covers all the darkness so quickly. And then I'm just gonna blend this using the PAC concealer brush. This brush is something that I am in love with because this works so amazingly. Like, I cannot even tell you can see it for yourself. Ever since I got it, there is no going back. And for my foundation today, I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade Caramel Beige, and I'm in the shade I think 108. I'm just dotting this foundation all over my face. This foundation has a matte finish, but it has a full coverage, so that is why I just love using this foundation. And now with the help of this foundation brush by Wet n Wild, I'm just blending the foundation into my skin, and you can see the coverage it gives. Like, with one go and with one layer, this foundation gives the utmost full coverage, and you don't even need to layer this foundation. And then to conceal my under eyes, I'm using this concealer by Maybelline. This is in the shade 30 Honey, and I'm just gonna cancel out any darkness that was there, and I'm just gonna blend that concealer using the same concealer brush, as you can see. And this just brightens up my under eye so nicely, because I like recently started having dark circle. Yeah, then for this look I'm particularly focusing on two pinks. So for blush, I'm taking this fresh pink color from Sivana blush palette and just applying it to the apples of my cheeks and also dragging it upwards, because I wanted this look to be very much like pinky sort of. And then to set the base, I'm using this Fix Plus by MAC, and then yeah, I'm just gonna fanning it down with the help of my hand. And then for my eye makeup, I'm using this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and taking that pink shade using the Real Technique blending brush. I'm just applying it to the crease line, as you can see, and blending it with the help of the same brush. And then taking this magenta color, if I'm not wrong, with the help of smaller blending brush by Real Technique, I'm focusing on to the outer corner especially, so that I can give a little depth into the outer corner. I'm applying in both the eyes, as you can see. It'll create a depth look into the outer corner. Now adding a little bit shimmer into this eye look and applying this duochromic eyeshadow from Huda Beauty Nude Obsession. This is in the shade Light, and I'm taking this color and placing it into the center of the lid, and then spreading it to the inner corner specifically. And then taking this brown color, I'm just deepening the outer corner a little bit and blending the two colors together. And now I'm taking the same brown color and the magenta color, the mix of the two colors, and applying it to the lower lash line, as you can see, to complete the eye look. And then I'm tight lining my upper lash line using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and then curling my lashes using this curler by Oriflame. Now for my mascara, I'm using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, because I'm not going in with any falsies today, so I want my lashes to be very prominent. And then for my lower lash line, I'm using this Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. This particular mascara I love to use in the lower lash line because it separates all the lashes and gives length to the lashes, which gives a very beautiful look, as you can see. And then to complete the look, I'm using this lipstick by Swiss Beauty, and this is a very bright pink, fuchsia pink color, so that will go with the whole vibe of this look, which is pink. And then for the highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm applying it to the highest points of my face. And this is the final look, you guys. You can see it looks very amazing and also very perfect for festive season. The shimmer eyeshadow looks just adds like a festive vibe to the entire look, and it is perfect to wear on the occasion of Durga Puja. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you really do, then please subscribe to my channel for more such content, and I will be coming up with more tutorials like this in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all. Mwah. Bye.